Lady is going to rotate clockwise, starting with the right leg forward, so as you'd continue the basic step, right, left, right to the side to slow down and finish, then connect the legs at the end. As you can see, man is getting out of the lady's way even more than while dancing the basic step. 1, 2, rotate, 3, switch the hands and connect the feet. Lady is slightly in front of the partner, not only side by side but also in front. Notice that the first step of the lady still goes between the legs of the partner, and the man is getting out of the way, and that's the first thing that you have to do, to your left. And other crucial thing is that you have to take really small steps going backward and out of the way. Steps are the same, but they're very, very small, so that the lady can go around you. She needs to pass you and get on the other side of yourself, so the steps cannot be too big.